Hello, this is Dave with TC Life Safety with another Ask Dave video. Today I'm going to do a quick little unboxing on a new product. It was actually put on the site at the end of 2018. We got some in stock, so I wanted to give you a quick view of what it is and tell you what's special about it. It's a new beam detector manufactured by FFE. And it's called the FFE ONE, O-N-E, ONE. Just to go over some of the features of it before I do the unboxing is, it's a beam detector. It's a single encased unit that has a reflective beam on it. So you'll see in the box it has the beam and a reflector. What's special about it is the electronics inside, the technology that's been put in there. There is a built-in laser pointer to help you with alignment. They're talking about a 1-minute alignment on this product. You basically just put the beam on the reflector, push a button, and it does an automatic alignment. And it maintains that automatic alignment, whether you're building shifts or things change or, you know, not moving 1.5 feet across the room, but, you know, small little changes, building settling and that kind of stuff. It keeps itself aligned. It also has new technology in the actual beam itself, in the frequency of the beam. You can actually take and have two beams facing each other with reflectors in the middle, and the two beams won't interfere with each other. So, you know, if you have a very long, if you have a 600-foot area you need to protect, you can put reflectors in the middle of the room and have beams from each end go to their respective reflectors and not interfere. And it also has technology in there now. It's not affected by sunlight or any you know, regular white light or ambient light in the building. So that if you do have, I'm sure I've run into problems where you have beams set up and, you know, at 10 o'clock in the morning, the sun beams through the window and messes up your beam. Not going to happen with this. It's got, it measures the frequency of the light itself, so it knows its light as opposed to exterior environmental light. So let's get down to the unboxing. First thing we see is a manual. It's a nice manual. It's not a 8.5 by 11 piece of paper stapled together. It's a nice, professionally done manual. It's in several languages, and it walks you through the auto alignment sequencing and so on. Inside the box, the first thing you come across is this little cardboard that has the section of the beam detector that actually mounts to the wall. Has terminations inside. I don't know if you can see the termination blocks in there. It has a couple of sets of dry contacts for fault and for alarm, and then it has a 3-terminal connection for power and shield if you would need a shield. And it operates from 13 to 36 volts DC. Next is reflector. You get one reflector in the box with the unit. And that's good to up to 164 feet. If you need to go from 165 feet to 394 feet, then they have a kit that'll supply you with 3 more reflectors and a little mounting assembly, so that you'll have, you know, basically a square of reflectors to give you that longer distance. And last but not least, is the actual beam head itself. Little cable connector that ties it into the base. There's your laser pointer. So the laser pointer is coming right out the front, out of the box. Put it on the wall, line the beam, the laser beam up as close to the middle of the reflector as you can. And like it says, it's a 1-minute setup. So that's the quick unboxing for the new FFE ONE beam detector. It's on the website. You can do a search by going to www.tclifesafety.com. In the search bar, type in FFE ONE, O-N-E, and it'll bring you right to the page. You'll be able to see pricing, pictures, and of course documentation under the Documents tab for data sheets and so on. If you have any questions, you want to see more, give me a call at 800-837-8175. This is Dave Peterson with TC Life Safety saying have a life safety day.